team, at this point, meron na kayong 5,000 pesos each. Nice one, Josh. At ito ang panahon para madagdagan pa yan dito sa Sinong Sikat. Ang kailangan niyang gawin is name the celebrity behind the stars. At para matanggal ang mga nakatakip na stars, just fill in the blank with the correct answer. Every correct answer is worth 5,000 pesos. Reminder sa kung sino man ang sasagot, pwedeng mag-pass at balikan ang stars na hindi nabuksan. Answer correctly kung sinong sikat and win 100,000 pesos. Team SLJ, bago kami mag-umpisa, anong ibig sabihin ng Miss Motocross? Ano ba yan? What title is that? Paano mo nakuha yan?
Miss Motocross Philippines.
Paano mo nakuha yan?
Sa pageant, Lanao del Norte, last year. Actually, this year.
Sigurado ko sa'yo yan, hindi kay Sir Joby.
Sabi niya daw sa kanya yun.
Okay. It's a pageant.
Pinahiram lang niya sa
So it's a pageant for
for Miss Motocross.
riders.
Yeah, per team, we have a representative. So I represent CLJ.
Pero in pageant na yan, there's no riding involved talaga.
No.
Kumbaga, it's gonna be a pure beauty
pageant,
pageant, if
yes.
you will. Well, congratulations. You
Thank
deserve
you.
that sash. Alright. Okay. CLJ team, let's begin. Pay attention. Ang ating picture ay hango sa dekada 2000s. Ngayon, sino sa inyo ang maglalaro? Okay. Jana, please step forward now. Teammates, please step aside. Jana, you had 60 seconds to play. At reminder sa mga teammates at sa lahat na nandito ngayon, alam ko excited lahat, pero very, very important, no coaching po tayo. Timer starts now. Choose a star.
4.
Number 4. Current motto ng Philippine Air Force. The Blank Force.
Pass 3.
3. Meaning ng company name na IBM. International Business Blank.
Pass 2.
Number 2. Bagong PBA team. Blank Bolts.
Thunderbolts.
Wrong. Choose a star.
Pass 1.
Number 1. Greek goddess of wisdom. Pallas Blank.
Pass 7.
Number 7. Meaning ng regional name na Mimaropa. Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, Blank.
Pangasinan.
Wrong. Choose a star.
6.
Number 6. Pinoy music girl band. Black Phosphoros.
Pass 4.
Number 4. Current motto ng Philippine Air Force. The Black Force.
Pass 5.
Number 5. Travel reminder. Don't drink and blank.
Drive.
Correct. Oh! Sayang. But you open 1 star. Balikan natin yung mga hindi mo nasagot. Starting off with number 1. Greek goddess of wisdom. Pallas Black. Pallas Athena. Ang hinahanap namin. 2. Bagong PBA team. Black Bolts. Meralco Bolts. Thunderbolts. 3. Meaning ng company name na IBM. International Business Black. International Business Machines. Number 4. Current motto ng Philippine Air Force. The Blank Force. The First Force. Number 6. Pinoy music girl band. Black Phosphoros. Fatal Phosphoros. Last is number 7. Meaning ng regional name na Mimaropa. Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, and Palawan. Okay, medyo mahirap-hirap. Isa ang nakuha. Pero dyan ang kailangan mong ibigay ang full name ng ating mystery celebrity. We are looking for a person. Again, mula sa dekada 2000s ang ating larawan. You have 5 seconds para sabihin sa amin kung sinong sikat. And timer starts now.
Answer this.
Okay. Your answer was Ann Curtis. Tama kaya ang sagot niya? We'll find out in a while. Pero kayo mga nasa bahay dyan, ano sa tingin nyo? Kaya niyo bang hulaan kung sinong sikat? Kung kaya nyo, just text PKT space your answer and send to 2366 for Globe TM. Sun Cellular Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. Ngayon na ang panahon para mag-check. Ang tamang sagot malalaman natin sa pagbabalik na